So I wonder if they use real beaver in their tacos.
I wonder where they get it.
My dad had plenty.
Might be good.
No, it's not.
I won't forget the feeling, I won't forget the night that I felt defeated to your eyes. The black boats, the battles me now. We race the tide to forget the feeling for a little while. And I won't forget the feeling, I won't forget the night that I felt defeated to your eyes. Black boats, the battles me now. We race the tide to forget the feeling for a little while.
And anytime you're in Vail, you gotta stop at the Vail pies. You got the best.
You got a car up in the stupid shoot notice there.
Yeah? Then we'll go get some pie. You guys look like you're in timeout. With your with your face to the wall. So we got yummy pie. And it is, yeah, Vail pies. So you gotta stop here and get some pie.
A new place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. My way. My way. My way. My way. Cause I found my way. My way. My way. My way. My way. I found my way. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. My way. My way. My way. My way. Cause I found my way. My way. My way. My way. My way. I found my way. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.
It's kind of all over out through the sagebrush here. nice pieces.
I'm doing this. I got this piece right here. Hopefully you can see it very well. But yeah, that's all blue.
That's pretty.
And it almost has like a wood texture on the outside right here. Look at that.
Yeah, it does.
Now we're gonna move over here and we're ready to go.
You were supposed to keep looking.
I know. Let me go back to where I was. Okay, so I was right here. It was Jasper. Where'd it go?
Right there.
Oh yeah, right in front of me.
You gotta just keep it out of your shadow.
Right here.
There we go.
We got a piece of Jasper. And it's got some agate in it.
Yep.
Oh, look at that right there.
Oh yeah. You find it everywhere. Cool
Well, it's not the
stuff.
prettiest piece, but it's got the quartz crystals in it. Now,
And then this piece just like screams at you.
yeah. That one right there. I'm just trying to make sure I don't miss any on the way there. This is a good spot. Look at how beautiful that is, though. And look at this little one.
Yep.
No, it's part of
Oh,
it.
it's just all that big.
It is that big.
Awesome. That is pretty. I love the textures
Oh
in
man.
there.
Look at the bottom even.
Oh yeah.
So that looks like a crystal right there.
Oh, it is.
And it's got some of them tube looking things. There, and there.
That's a good find.
That better focus on that.
I know.
Cool.
The colors are so beautiful on these things. They're really easy to find if they're on the top. Found an eyeball. You see it? Looking right back at you. Oh, it's bigger than I thought too. A lot of it's up under the... Yeah, that's a pretty piece. It's got blues and reds.
Is it Jasper?
Uh-huh.
I'm excited.
Well, hello, beautiful. That's what John would say, but look at this. The colors in that are absolutely beautiful. And I don't want to pick it up because I end up not getting it focused.
Yeah. Holy Christ.
Don't fall.
Wow, that looks like wood.
Uh-huh. I think that's a piece of wood. So I'm going to keep it close to the ground so that you can
Look up
actually
and
see
to
it.
your right.
Up and to my right.
It looks like there's 3 pieces right there. Get around.
Point it out.
We're on quite the incline here in case anybody's wondering.
Yes. So we found a few really cool little treasures here. And a whole nother bag full.
Yeah, those are gorgeous. Holy crap.
What?
Look how blue this is. Unless it's just these glasses.
Oh no. Oh shit. That is cool.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
There's some cool stuff here.
That is blue.
Some of this looks like wood.
There probably is some. Another nice piece of obsidian. Oh, this is pretty. Got some sparklies. Another piece of obsidian. Get it in the sun. Oh, here's a little something pretty. What'd you find? Oh yeah.
Yep.
Very pretty.
Couple nice pieces. There's another one right there.
Yeah, there's another one right there.
And I guarantee it's hot.
This one's interesting. It's got some cool designs in there. Patterns and should be interesting when we clean it up. Oh, and look. Little agate. These are kind of laying everywhere. Pretty little things. So this side hill has been a really good place to hunt for rocks. We found a little bit of everything. Some really cool stuff, especially when we get it cleaned up. I think it's going to be beautiful. It sounds like Pops is on his way back to the truck, and I think Hawk's there as well. So I guess my bag is full enough and time to head home. It's been a good day.
Here comes Sandra. You got a load? Yep.
Heavy enough.
Did you hear the horse?
Is that what it was?
Yeah.
I thought so.
I think you spooked him out of there.
I heard something over there and I thought that maybe it was Pops.
Yeah.
But I was following the trail.
He stomped and then made his little alert with his snort, and up the road he went.
Well, I could tell it was a wild horse trail, and
Yeah.
they had stirred up all the rocks, and
Oh
it's
yeah.
a really good place to look. So
Yeah, they make the rock finding easy, don't they?
yes, they do. I thought that's what I heard, but
Yep. Right on. Yep.
is that wood?
You know, I'd be surprised if it's not. Because I mean, look at the grain.
Yeah.
But look at, it's also got the jasper and agate mixed.
Oh, that's pretty.
And if you look at this side, see the red in the top where it's bleeding through?
Yep.
Yeah. But then it's got this whole layer.
Huh. That is
And this
beautiful.
stuff is everywhere. Yep.
Yeah, the red on there is gorgeous. Good find.
Yeah. I enjoy it. And we have more, but we'll have to film that when we get home and wash it up. Actually, we're going to try our washing machine on the way home.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Our washing machine. So Hawk's big idea.
Not my idea. I stole the idea from Maggie Trump.
That's right.
Yep.
That's right. And he just made it bigger and better as he does everything.
Yep.
So the thought was,
Well, she talked about putting the rocks in the cup holder with some sand. And by the time you got home, they'd be polished. Well, I'm going to put my rocks in the barrel with some dish soap. By the time I go home, I'm hoping they'll be clean and I don't have to spend 3 hours scrubbing them, which is a very common thing after one of our trips.
that's right.
Yep.
So we have a rock dishwasher.
Yes.
Hopefully it just doesn't bubble over with all the suds
If
before
it
we
blows
get
off
home.
on the highway, it might be kind of funny. Yeah, fun.
Yeah, in it goes.
Yep.
Right on. We'll see if it works.
I think I filmed this one. But look at that.
Oh yeah.
Wormholes.
That's cool.
Yeah, bionic worms. Cool though, huh?
Very.
Yep, and that one's going in. Think it'll blow off? Probably not. It's just soap. All right.
We'll see how our rock washing machine works.
It worked.
Ooh, it's sudsy. Let's.
Yeah.
Looks like it worked pretty good.
Yeah, it's full of suds. Good thing is we can clean the truck this way too.
Oh yeah, it's full of suds.
All right.
Should I move?
Yeah. It's a little foamy. Yeah.
Ah!
Here it comes. Yes, and it's environmentally safe too.
It's a waterfall.
Yes.
Oh, that is so funny. Yeah, it's cleaning the back of the truck too.
Yeah.
And the driveway. That's crazy.
People rent those foam cannons. We've got one right here. Maybe I shouldn't have used so much soap.
You can never use too much soap.
Somewhere there's rocks in there.
Well, I would hope that the rocks are clean.
Yeah. It's still foaming up. I bet this is gonna be slippery getting out of the truck.
Yeah, be careful.
That worked pretty good.
Pretty
A
clean.
little bit of moss left on it, but not bad. But yeah, one of the pieces we found.
So maybe just not as much soap next time.
Yeah, probably.
But it's a good idea, right?
Yep. You know, that
Just
looks like a geode.
Just a little less soap. Oh yeah, that's cool.
Now that the dirt's not in it, you can actually see what it is. Not bad. It works. Just probably about a quarter of the soap I used last time. Look at this.